Now, it's a great day here in New York City, Brooklyn to be exact, and guess what? It's also been a very great day for the markets in more ways than one. But I'm still feeling very good, especially after going to Monday Night Raw last night just a few blocks down at the Barclays Center, where I saw the return of the great one, The Rock. So let me spread the good vibes and energy your way. It's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed. Grab yourself a drink because I'm bringing it. It's happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they fell sharply this afternoon, extending losses into a second session as investors took in slow economic growth in Europe, courtesy of the IMF. Now, the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, downgraded its global growth forecast for this year and next year, now projecting that world growth will come in at 3.3% in 2014. That's down 0.1% from its July forecast. And in 2015, it expects growth of 3.8%. And we'll just stay in Europe for more bad news as German industrial output fell by 4% in August. This just one day after the nation's industrial orders had their largest monthly decline since the global financial crisis back in 2009. That's right, back in 2009. Can you believe it's been 5 years already? And with that, you team in with more bad news for GM, and we'll get to that in a bit. And you have yourself the following session where for every share rising, roughly 3 fell over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this session. And I told you we'll get back to it. General Motors declining today after Morgan Stanley cut its outlook on GM earnings as the auto manufacturer's fund chief raised the count of those killed in crashes related to defective ignition switches. So there you have it. We'll leave it at that. And until the morning, from lovely but gray Brooklyn, New York, I'm James Sweeney from ModernWallStreet.com. See you all in the morning. Switches. And we'll just leave it at that. We'll just leave it at that. And one more time. Last one, GM. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.